Hey everybody, it's Sandy. I'm cooking on a budget. I'm going to talk about fire safety in your home. If you have anything, appliances or anything that use gas, you definitely need to have a carbon monoxide poison monitor. If you use any wood burning stoves and stuff like that, you definitely, or fireplace, you need to have one of these in your home also. And no matter where you live, you should have a smoke detector in it. They can be a pain if you sometimes when you're cooking, they can go off very little smoke. I've set them up, I don't know how many times cooking in the past. I live in an apartment. Our rental properties are required to have both of these in the inside of them. If you're home, I don't know if that's the law and that's nationwide or not, but that's the law here where I live at. That even if it ain't the law where you live at, you should have both in your home or apartment or trailer or whatever you live in. It could save you and your family lives. Carbon monoxide poison monitor and smoke detector. It's Sandy with Cooking on Budget 101. Have a good day. Please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.